be fun if you knew.
I like this lake better than the one we did on last time.
Which one did you do it
Austin, we ought to get good.
By the Union.
Hey, listen, we ought to get into it.
Whoa.
We have a lot of white water where we are. I mean, there are trips. You can either go on your own. You can do the beginners.
You mean like whitewater rafting?
Yes. They have like the really, really easy ones. They have all different levels. And they have it where somebody can bring you. I mean, somebody can go with you.
Focus isn't on you, Dad.
Or you can go by yourself.
That'll be fun.
Something I've always wanted to do.
James refuses to do that.
Really? He's really not a risk taker? Oh, gosh.
To refuse to do what?
Whitewater rafting.
Oh, we're not talking about the ones where you go down, you know, and you're wearing the helmet. Well, I guess you do
But
have to wear
still, he
helmets.
wouldn't. Just getting in a canoe is.
Really?
In Hawaii, like, we didn't do anything fun. I probably should have.
Oh, my goodness. Uh-oh.
He's like roller coasters. He's like.
He just likes to watch.
I don't really like roller coasters either. Remember, I think Byron tried to get me to go on Apollo's Chariot at Busch Gardens. That was the one that always had the big line of people, and it was the highest one. Wasn't there a video?
It's actually like the least scary.
Wasn't there a video where Fabio? It was like an instructional video. Fabio get hit by a goose.
Yeah.
That's fun.
And the nose.
Nobody's sure. Anybody want some
Ooh,
pretzels?
see a fish jump?
Yeah, there was a fish that jumped over there.
I mean, I've seen this.
There's the hospital. Is that? You said that was the hospital over there?
Yeah, some water also?
It's Thunderbolts.
Yeah, that's thunder. We need to get out of here.
Here's your water.
Go back?
We have to. That's thunderstorms.
I'll sit here for a minute.
This isn't the best place to be.
Yeah, an aluminum canoe during a thunderstorm is the worst place to be during a thunderstorm.
Oh, not very far.
Because for one, you're sitting in all metal, and you're on the water, which is a great conductor, right?
I'm gonna hand this back to you. You might want some water.
We'll have to use your nautical knowledge, Dad, to get us out of the situation.
Nautical knowledge is paddle as fast as
Let's get the heck off the water.
Mom does not look concerned whatsoever.
Or you could always go up here to the zoo and pull
I'd rather
up.
have fun.
You could pull up on the beach at the zoo.
That means we couldn't get back to our car, and we were just
what
sitting
you do
there.
is you just weather it out till it passed over and then go back. I'm sure they'd let you do it up there.
Well, it's equidistant.
That's probably a little bit closer there. I don't know. You're probably right.
How will the Barneses get out of the situation?
Here you go, big man.
We are like the only ones on the lake, right?
Yeah,
There's a motorboat over
because the weatherman predicted all thunderstorms today, but he has.
You can get out here very quickly in a motorboat.
The weatherman has predicted thunderstorms all this week,
Come on,
right?
let's go to where the
But Dad
swans
does
are.
not trust the weatherman, so we came out here because he has been wrong for the past week. The storm cometh upon Lake Wingra, and you can hear thunder. And you can see the rain shadow over there. We saw some lightning a lightning flash over there. Dad had his famous last words. Oh, it's about 1.5 miles away. We can stay a bit longer. Forgetting how clouds travel fast.
I like this pace.
We actually caught a seagull catching a fish not too long ago. We don't know why there's seagulls up here. It's pretty far from the ocean. There are some kayakers going out, though.
They look unsure.
Yeah, they're hovering near the dock area over there. Most of it appears to be moving diagonally to us. I need to move. Oh, there's thunder. There we go. It's telling everybody to clear the area because of the thunderstorm. storm chasers out on an aluminum kayak canoe. It's beginning to rain at the boat dock. We got in just in time, huh guys? Got in just in time.
Boo.
You want a brochure on the rates and stuff?
Boo. Hey, it's online. It wasn't fun then.
Yeah, I like.
Oh, well, they won't let you stay.
Yeah, I like rain. You like
If
rain?
it wasn't thundering,
Yeah.
they probably would. If it was just raining, they
Well, it's nice. It's at least it wasn't really blisteringly hot
I
out
love
there.
rain.
We got.
Austin, I love rainy days.
It's better than
Isn't
it
that so
being
much
the
better
sun
than a
being out.
motorboat where you go out and people are screaming and skiing in their wakes? Do you like riding in a motorboat?
I like it too. They're for different reasons. Like motorboat, you can ride behind it, like on a tube.
I want to go to the bathroom. But I'll...
It's nice rainy weather. It's really starting to rain now. It looks like we're gonna need a poncho to get back to the car. It's pretty intensely raining. Jesus.
This is mine. You put your stuff in mine. I'm not green. Here's the yellow.
Excuse me. Don't get hit by the rain. Wow, that's quite a waterfall there. Kristen's putting her poncho on. Hi, Kristen.
I could do an impression of the people on the poncho.
Let's just go out and play in the rain.
Where's the sleeve?
Not glad that I wore flip-flops today. Well, I guess it's nice because I can get my feet cooled off.
Don't get it in the rain. The video? I don't think. You can get in the rain, but you can't get what video on there?
I was just talking about the people on the package. They look ridiculous. They're so happy to be in the rain. They're so happy to be in the rain on that poncho
Now,
on.
take a video of her playing in the rain. Look.
Play in the rain, Kristen. Hop and skip. She has her form-fitting shoes on that she got from the sporting goods store. Wow, look at that waterfall. Go play in the waterfall.
No, I don't want to go in there. Your hair get all wet. Take it out there, the flowers. And it's better over here, actually. It's worse right there. You get the flowers and stuff.
Yeah, I got the... Dad. Dad, jump in the waterfall. Dad, jump in the waterfall over there. There you go. They're right here.
Okay. Hold my hat. I don't want to get wet. I'm not glad.
Hey, Dad.
These things are like side buttons.
Dad. I guess he doesn't want... Go jump in the waterfall. He did not acknowledge what I was talking about, I guess. Where's my poncho?
I'm not hot.
I don't need a poncho. I can just run to the car.
Pretty wet. Sorry, you do that wet. I'm glad I bought another pair of shoes because it's really wet now.
Better dry them off outside when it gets sunny so they don't get moldy.
Yeah. I'm gonna wash them when you're home.
I'm glad I didn't wear my shoes because my shoes got wet. Yeah, my shoes got wet and they get mildew and they kind of smell now.
I know that I can just throw these in the washing machine.
My jeans are somewhat soaked now.
But they're good for being in the canoe for gripping. Yeah.
Mom did this again. The way she washes my flip-flops, soap gets inside. Look at that.